our ability to partner with you and take your product to completion. We have a fantastic engineering team.
Yeah, we're back again. I know you can't get enough. And guess where we are today with my buddy Eric at Schmidt Tool and Engineering here in Illinois. This is a third generation family owned and operated company, which I absolutely love when it comes to US manufacturing. Today, Eric's going to talk a little bit about the history, the growth, what they're currently making, where you might be able to work with them as well, and probably some other details. As you all know, I kind of ramble from time to time, but we do eventually get to the point. Eric, thank you for being here, my friend. I do appreciate you being brave enough to join me on camera today.
Absolutely. Thank you, Tom.
So let's talk about Schmidt. Let's talk about third generation, family owned, and I believe 80 years, right?
Yep, that's correct. 80 years.
Wow, 80 years family owned and operated. You've come into the company. What does it mean to you to be working with and for a family owned and operated company here in Illinois?
It's great. I've worked for corporations as well as family-owned companies before. It's just it's a nice environment that truly care about their employees and what we do.
Yeah, I like that answer, and I'm a fan of that as well. I was once a number. I didn't love it. That's why I've switched over to MTDCNC also. Well, we're standing in front of a really nice hydromat machine, hydromat and its capabilities. But as I look around, I mean, there are machines everywhere. I see brothers, but there's a number of others. I did a rhyme, I'm a poet and didn't know it, or maybe I did, I'll let you guys decide. But also, we're talking 58,000 square feet. Let's talk about some of the technologies you guys have invested in order to support the customers that are out there watching.
Yeah, so we invested in 2 hydromat machines. We have a third on the way. We've also bought brand new brother machines with Nachi robots to automate loading. We also have the ability, 9 Swiss machines, 7 lathes, wire EDM. We have state-of-the-art grinding equipment. We also have assembly area where our employees are doing from machining the part all the way to full assembly. So 4-axis vertical mills is the majority of the machines that we have here.
Well, when I look around firstly and see all of the different machines, and when I listen to you talk, I hear, well, with these machines and with this history, you can pretty much do whatever you want, but you do have somewhat of a focus, some contractors, some job shop. Where would you say your current focus is, and do you want to expand into different avenues of all parts of manufacturing market?
Yeah, we're a contract manufacturer. I think our sweet spot though is high volume things. Smaller envelopes typically, fist size, maybe a little bit bigger than that. Mostly out of steel. We do some work with stainless steel, some aluminum. We're getting into a little bit of drone work as well. So some neat things on the horizon, yeah, for sure.
For the audience watching right now, and I've obviously been bragging about you. We all love U.S. manufacturing, the family owned, and the quality of the hydromats and the other machines that are here. Is there a message that you'd like to give? Imagine right now there's some people watching that are looking at Eric and going, man, could I work with Schmidt as well? Would that be, could I buy some Schmidt? How does that work?
Yeah, so I would say the thing that sets Schmidt apart is our ability to partner with you and take your product to completion. We have a fantastic engineering team that is able to help you if there's any problems in the design or the manufacturability of the part. I think table stakes are obviously on-time delivery, quality, good price point. We provide all of those top tier in those departments as well.
I like hearing that, and because there is this big push right now for reshoring, and if we're not reshoring, we're nearshoring, but a big push for reshoring, would you be one of those types of people where people go, you know, I'm trying to bring it back, but it's got to be cost effective. You know, I want to do U.S. manufacturing. It's closer. We don't have the lead times. Would you be in that category? We say we can work quick, we can work precise, we can work effective, and we can give you a good price point.
Absolutely. That is us 100%. That is the reason why we do business with the government contracts that we do, as well as the new business that we're getting outside of the firearms market.
Well, with all of that being said, there's definitely people out there that want to get in touch with you, Eric. How would they best be able to find you? Is that by knocking on your front door and coming to say hi, or is there a website where we can find you instead?
Well, you're always welcome to come knock on our door. We'll talk to you, but there is a website, schmidttoolandengineering.com. We also have a Facebook page and an Instagram page as well.
That's fantastic for everyone watching. This is Schmidt Tool and Engineering. Come get your Schmidt from Schmidt. Yes, I didn't even have that planned out. Eric, thank you so much for having
Absolutely.
MTD into Schmidt Tool and Engineering. It's really been a pleasure. Thank you all for watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Any questions or comments for Eric, leave it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you guys.